Breaking news! All 20 remaining Israeli hostages have been freed after months in captivity, and world leaders are calling it a miracle. The release marks a turning point in the Middle East conflict. Families have been reunited, and emotional scenes are spreading across social media, from Tel Aviv to Washington. In a stunning twist, President Donald Trump has flown to Egypt to attend what's being called a historic peace summit, bringing together Israeli, Palestinian, and regional leaders in a rare moment of calm. Sources say the deal was brokered with intense U.S. and Egyptian mediation. It includes a temporary ceasefire, humanitarian aid, and new talks aimed at preventing future escalations. World leaders are reacting fast, some praising the breakthrough, others warning it's fragile. Hashtags like Odger, hostages home, and peace in our time are trending as emotional reunion videos dominate every platform. For the families, politics doesn't matter. What counts are the hugs, the tears, and the feeling that maybe, just maybe, peace is possible again. But the question remains, is this a genuine breakthrough or just a brief calm before the next storm? Follow for more updates as history unfolds, and share this story of hope.